Well, tá clúid an áisiúnta an áránaí Gemma sanna glóir bín agus a chuid árán álainne agus bhfuil Fiachna Buaileann le labhairt le labhairt le IMEALL na h-athraithe móra atá tar éis titim amach na saol agus conas mar tá na h-athraithe son tar éis dul na bhfeidhmirtí mar scríneart árán.
Your love is like a tourniquet. It's wrapped so tightly round my chest. Don't leave me. I'm not scared of the dark.
Gemma, I'm remembering the last time we met and chatted about music. There was a great carefree sense from you.
Yeah.
Life's changed since then, has it?
Oh yeah, it has. It has.
Some big changes.
Yeah. It's not carefree. It's more childcare.
Yes.
Yes, I'm a mum now.
Yeah.
And the last time I spoke to you, music was everything to me.
Yeah.
Absolutely everything. It was my songs were my babies.
Yeah.
That has now been pushed to the side. I mean, it's still my love, but now this little boy's come into my life,
yeah,
and he is my #1 priority.
Yeah.
But the weird thing that's after happening is that, you know, when something is your main focus, it's sort of, I always felt slightly restricted creatively because I was so self-conscious and wanting it to be perfect. And now that my focus is on something else, creatively, I'm just so much freer.
Right.
It's had this weird effect on my music,
yeah,
where it flows easier and I allow it to, I just follow my gut more or something.
Yeah.
Oh, to be your honey.
How about writing? How's that working?
It's not.
Or is it? Or is this? Yeah,
so after me saying all of that,
yeah,
it's great.
Yeah, yeah.
I actually don't have the time,
yeah,
to finish songs.
For the moment.
For the moment.
Yeah.
When I say all of this, I actually, like, I released my album the end of last year.
Yeah.
So I've spent all this year promoting, doing shows around, mainly around England. I've done a few in Ireland and a few in Europe.
And does your little fella come with you?
He does sometimes, yeah.
Not easy.
I'm torn because I don't want to be away from him,
yeah,
but when he's with me, it means I don't sleep.
Yeah.
So I did a gig a while back and I couldn't remember the chorus.
Right.
I was on stage and went to play the chorus. And I just had to stop the song and ask the audience, what's the first line of the chorus? And they sang it to me. It was just pure tiredness.
Yeah. Can you predict the future? What's going on for you in the next little while? Or
God.
Is there a new record in your imagination at the moment yet, or is it too early to tell?
I think it's too early. It's too early. But once I get back home, I'm going to start writing in the studio. So so just that and you know, cleaning up vomit and all that lovely stuff.
Trying to feel awake, having another coffee, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very inspiring.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just making my way back to you, making my way back, making my way back. I just didn't realize with every path I was making my way back to you, making my way back, making my way back. I just didn't realize there's a name for the pain that sits in equal parts between us. We get caught up chasing lights. We play the game, but the rope gets tight. Nothing changes till you change. I know you don't want it easy. I see your face in every face. Doesn't matter where we run, always hollow, chasing shadows. I'm just making my way back to you, making my way back, making my way back. I just didn't realize with every path I was making my way back to you, making my way back. was making my way back to you, making my way back, making my way back. I just didn't realize with every path I was making my way back to you, making my way back, making my way back. I just didn't realize. I just didn't realize.